Snagglefuzz. What do you have to say? Huh? Say the fuzz will not take a nap. I think that's partly due that he won't eat very much, so he's not full. Thus we have a grumpy fuzz. Can you look way up here? Yeah, hey! Hey! Bye.